Well, maybe a little bit bigger, but it's a lot of fun. There we go. Come on up. Nice fish.
We're out here ice fishing at the American Creek Marina in Chamberlain, South Dakota. We've got the beautiful bluffs and the Missouri River in the background. Last weekend this whole area was filled with ice shacks all the way back into the bay to the west. Not too many people out here today, but we're going to catch some fish today. A lot of crappie, a lot of bluegill biting.
We're using a slip bobber and a spinner for crappie. Works pretty good. Small jigs work good too. There we go. Just a little teardrop jig, a little bigger head on it. And we're gonna eye hook our minnow. So we're just gonna put that right through his eye right there like that. Been catching some nice ones down here, and we're gonna do some more of that today. They're active, they're hungry. It's good. There we go. There's one right there. Yeah, he's a little bit small. They're biting. Whoa, whoa. Feels like a decent one. Yeah. Nice crappie. Oh, I suppose he's about 10 inches. There we go. Bring him on up. Nice fish. We're going to let him go. He's only about 7 inches. Maybe 8, but yeah, we'll let him go. Let him grow. Bye, brother. There you go. Come on, come on, come on. Take that, take that, take that. Take that. There we go. There's a fish. Nice looking crappie. Not big, but a nice looking fish. Pretty active today. Down here. Whoop, that might be a good fish. That might be. Oh, let's see here. He's about in that. Still in that. 8, 9.
Alright, these are the fish people have been catching all weekend, last weekend, weekend before that at American Creek Marina. This is just about a 9-inch crappie, but a decent one. We're going to keep them today. Kids like to eat them, and they're a lot of fun to catch. This is Eric, Outdoor Adventures video.
Holy. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Come on. Oh my gosh. A nice largemouth. Well, I wouldn't say nice, but come here, buddy. This is reality TV here. Well, let's see. See if the bite. Oh, oh, oh. Nice fish.